episode of Julie.v Doing It With Me's Bush Break Special. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to make a potjie. This is a traditional South African dish that comes in hundreds of varieties. But tonight's one is going to be a chicken and apricot potjie. Let's get started. Heat your oil in a cast iron pot over a fire. Once your oil is hot, we're going to saute our onions, cinnamon, chilies, garlic, cardamom, and cardamom. Chicken pieces until brown on both sides. Once that is done, we're going to add in our tin of tomatoes with all the juice. Remember to always be careful when you're dealing with the fire. Also, be careful with what clothing you wear, because that can also be very flammable. The trick is to not overcook your chicken. Now add some salt for taste, and then we're going to cover our pot and move it to cool coals and let it sit for 45 minutes. Now we're going to dissolve a pinch of saffron in a little bit of boiling water, and then we're going to add it into our pot, as well as some dried apricots, or if you'd like, some dried mangoes. Cover your pot and then let it simmer for another 10 minutes. We're nearly there, folks. Just one more thing to do. We're now going to sprinkle some flaked almonds onto our potjie, and then we're done.
Eat, tiger.